Hello, hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with this additional. And in this additional of in of yesterday's newspaper, yes, was yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, October the 6th, 2021, because it's actually today Thursday, and Thursday we only have one regular Sudoku, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. We have three puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. In additional, the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with one star. But first, we will solve this letter Sudoku, and I've made a mistake with the numbering. Yes, today in the Sudoku medium, I've numbered 3503. Well, wrong. It must be 3502. This one is 3503. So not the previous Sudoku should not be 3503 but 3502. This one is 3503. Alright, so let's get started. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. Well, it's not the digits. Those are letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 20 plus 3, 24, plus 3, 27 printed letters. Those letters are the U, the O, the I, the B, the C, the N, the T, the A, and the R. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have R in this column, the R in the column next. So that column, the last column, the only two places for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be there. By the way, for printed, for a 27 printed digit puzzle with numbers, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, it will be difficult, but with the letter Sudoku, I need, I think, 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. We will see. All right. Let's continue. R in this row, R in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the R should be there. Two letters are missing in this row. The A is missing, and the letter N is missing. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here, and the A goes there. Alright, so we have an N in this column, N in the column next. So the last column, the only two places for the N should be here. Oh, there we see there, and then no N there, N should be there. And in the last row, and in the row above, so that row, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see there, and then no N there, N should be here. And in the third column, N in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see there, and then no N there, N should be here. N in this column, N in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the N should be here or there. We see there, and then no N there, N should be here. And all the N's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter N. Okay. Oh, right. O in this column, last column, O in that column. So the column between, the only place for the O should be here. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the O should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an O. We see here no O in these 3 boxes. There no O in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the O should be there. Then I cannot continue with the O. How about the A in this row, A in the last row? So the row between, the only place for the A should be there. Then. How about C, B and C. We have a pair. Look, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is a C. We see here C, no C in that box. So the C could be here, could be there. So we have a C and the B in this last column. The C in one of those 2 boxes and the B in that column. So the column between the C and the B goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, C and B. Let me mark those 2 boxes, C and B. So what are the other 2 letters in this big square? Those letters are the U is missing and the I is missing. U and the I. U and the I. Okay. 2 pairs. Okay. Then. We have a R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there. R should be here. Alright. Maybe, okay. Okay. Then. Yeah. You should be there. B should be there. Yeah, the B in this column, the B in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the B should be there. Okay. The U and the A. Yeah, 2 missing letters in this big square. The U is missing and the A is missing. U and A, we have an A there, no A there. A should be here and the U goes there. So we have an A in this row, A in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the A should be here or there. We see that A, no A there. A should be here. Then yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I, no I there. Here an I, no I there. The only place for the I should be there. C and the T. C and the T are missing here. In this big square, the C and the T. CT. Okay. Well. How about those 2 missing letters? C is missing and the T is missing also. A lot of CT. All right. Two missing letters in this column. The T is missing and the I is missing. I and the T in this column. We have an I there, so no I there. I should be here and the T goes there. All right. T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters. One of the missing letters is a T. We see here T, no T in these two boxes. There, T, no T in those three boxes. So the T could be here, could be there. So we have a T in this column, T in one of those two boxes, in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the T should be there. One box left in this column for the letter C. All right, C. So we have a C in this column, C in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the C should be there. Now we have a C there, so this box can't be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be a B. All right. CT, okay. We have a T in this column, T in the column next. So that column, the only two places for the T could be here, could be there. We have a pair C and T, so one letter is missing in this big square for the letter I. Okay, now we have an I here, so this box can't be I anymore. That box should be an I, and this box should be an U. U in this column, U in the column next. So that column, the only place for the U should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter. N, no N. We have here the A. A is missing, of course. The A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in this column, so no A in these three boxes. There an A, no A in these two boxes. So one box left for the A should be there. And I've eliminated the T, so the T goes there. All right. I in this row, I in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the I should be here. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters U is missing. And O is missing. We see an O, no O there. O should be here, and the U goes there. All right. So we have an O in this first column, O in the second column. So in the third column, the only three places for the O should be here, here, or there. We see here no, we see there no, so no O's in these two boxes. So one box left for the O should be there. One box left in the first row for the letter A. Yeah, A is missing. Alright, do we have all the A's? And all the A's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter A. Yeah. Yeah. And no. Yeah. O in this row. O in the row above. So that row, the only place for the O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter O. One box left in this row for the letter U is missing. U is missing. Alright, U. So we have a U in this first column, U in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the U should be there. Two missing letters, the C and the T, C and the T. We have a C there, so no C there. C should be here, and the T goes there. One letter is missing in this big square for the letter T. Now we have a C there, so this box can't be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be a T. Incubator is the solution in 15 minutes. All right, I've solved this in 15 minutes. But let me continue with the rest of the puzzle. Two missing letter in this big square for the letters I is missing and the U is missing. We see a U, no U there. U should be here and the I should be there. One box left in this row for the letter C. Yeah, the C is missing. Two missing letters in this big square. The B is missing and the R is missing. B and R, let me mark those. How about these two boxes in this row? The T is missing and the R is missing. T and R. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here and the R goes in there. Two missing letters in this big square. The B and the C are missing. We see a C, no C there. C should be here and the B goes there. And the last two numbers, the B and R, we have a B there, no B there. B should be here and the R goes there. 16 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Really do? Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If there are any requests, just post it in the comment section. Who knows? Maybe I will solve that puzzle. Anyway. Again, thank you, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2-star Sudoku. It will be this one. Yes, this one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.